Hello ladies and gentlemen, it is me Ubuntu 12.10 and in the last video I showed you the new version of Kazam screencast recorder, and in this video I want to show you a few ways to record or capture your screen in Ubuntu or in Linux in general. So if you're like me and you like to make screencast tutorials, or if you want to begin making screencast tutorials, I'll basically give you three ways that you can, or show you three ways on how to record or capture your screen. So the first one is actually, as you saw in the previous video, Kazam Screencaster, and this is the one I use. I use it because it is an easy graphical interface and it doesn't require too much. So I use Kazam and it's I think it's awesome. It works every time for me. The second one right here is Record My Desktop. Now I used Record My Desktop before I actually knew about Kazam Screencaster, and as you can see here, you have a few options. You can change, for example, frames per second. You have a few options. So Record My Desktop is also a good screencast recorder, but now the reason why I like Kazam more than Record My Desktop is that it'll render the video while you're actually recording, and Record My Desktop takes forever to render your video after you're recording or after you have recorded. So let's say I recorded, for example, 10 minutes using Record My Desktop, and after the 10 minutes of recording I would have to wait maybe an additional 20 minutes for the video to actually render, and Kazam does this while it's recording, if you understand what I'm saying. Now these are two ways, and actually let me show you guys the third way. So right here you see two commands, and it's all FFmpeg, and the reason I have two commands is because, well, one command might not work for you. So depending on your computer hardware, you might have to create your own command, FFmpeg command. But the Google, I'm sure the Google will help you do that. But as you can see here, the command is FFmpeg x11 grab 30 frames per second, and my screen resolution, which is 1920 by 1080. We have a lot of codecs right here, and it ends out with output.wav or output.avi, and right here on the top command it's output.flv. So it's basically very customizable. And again, the reason I have two commands is because I'm sure you'll basically have to go to Google to find out, or to actually create your own command, if you get what I'm saying. So this is very customizable, and I will not guarantee that these two commands will work for you. That's why we have Say Google. Okay, so the way you do this is actually you open up your terminal. Right here you copy your FFmpeg command and you paste it in your terminal. You press enter, it will start recording, and when you're done you will have to press something like Ctrl+C, and your recording will be done. That's basically how you do it. So like I said before, this command, for example, will render the video while you're actually recording. You can also create a command. Again, it's very customizable. You can also create a command that does like Record My Desktop, which means it will render the video after you're done recording, if you know what I mean. So Google is your friend right here if you want to try this FFM or these FFmpeg commands, but you might have to again, you might have to build your own command to get it working. So these are basically the three ways I wanted to show you, or I wanted to give you three options, so you have something to choose from. Anyway, I don't know why I just said that. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, Girl Scout.